The most watched videos about this exam aren't about the exam at all. One of them is a beep test clip. 9 years old, tens of thousands of views, and still the main thing candidates find when they search. Here's why that matters. You can pass the written exam, place high on the list, and still never see the academy. Because between the list and the uniform, there's a gym. 4 events. This is what's in them, straight from the official candidate materials. First, when does this actually happen? Not on exam day. The order is written exam, then the ranked list, and then, only if your rank is reached, you get a conditional appointment and screening begins. Screening starts with the physical. Phase 1 is the physical ability test, plus a vision screening, plus fingerprints. And here's the detail most people miss. The background investigation doesn't even begin until you've qualified on the physical. It's not a formality at the end of the process. It's the gate at the front. The test itself is a battery of 4 events. 1. Push-ups. 2. Sit-ups. Straight strength and core endurance, no tricks. 3. The Illinois Agility Run. A timed course, sprinting, turning, weaving between markers. It's not about raw speed, it's about changing direction without losing it. 4. The beep test. A paced shuttle run, back and forth between 2 lines, where the beeps come faster and faster until you can't keep up. It's the endurance event, and it's the one everyone talks about. Now, how many push-ups? How fast a run? This is where I'm going to be careful, and you should be too. The court system publishes its own preparation guide and a points table with the actual standards, and it reserves the right to change the test at any time while the list is active. So I'm not reading you numbers that might be outdated by the time you test. The official guide is linked below. For standards, it's the only source worth trusting. What the court system does say, in writing, the test is physically demanding, and candidates must train to be successful. That's not me hyping it. That's the official page telling you not to show up cold. One more thing that stops people at the door. To take the physical at all, you need a completed medical release form, signed by a medical professional who has personally examined you. Show up without it, and you will not be allowed to participate. That's stated flat out, in capital letters. Pass the physical, and the rest of the machine starts. Written psychological tests, the background investigation, a psychological interview, a full medical exam, and then the academy. 4 months, paid, as the start of a 2-year traineeship. But notice the order of everything we just walked through. The physical only happens if your rank is reached. And your rank is your written score. So the honest strategy is both. Start general fitness early, the court system itself says to train, but win the written exam first. Without the rank, there is no gym day. My site has a free diagnostic that shows where you stand on all 5 written sections. Free tier, no card needed. Links in the description. Duty rank is independent, not affiliated with the court system, and not a fitness provider. Everything here is from the official candidate materials linked below. And if the written exam is the part you haven't looked at yet, the 5 sections video is on screen now.